ezigbo mụrụ nze mwaza kinakwa ma ihe na-emekwa na bikono na video Gentle the Yahoo. Gentle the Yahoo ko ka isi wee nye poison ka isi wee chọrọ igbu ya o ka Hope Uzodinma as sponsor insecurity in Imo State. All those things na no how not in the battlefield. Yeku ki hesi aga bikono na this video called one.
Let me use this opportunity to break down the way this evil leaders is when I poison, so that our people will hear and understand it clearly. Hope Uzodinma, if I am saying, make investigation, make your inquiries. There is a man that called Madabuchi, Ernest Madabuchi. This Madabuchi, Ernest Madabuchi knows what I'm talking about. He's still alive. But because of the poison that he gave to us, he have lost his house, 2-story building in Owerri. He doesn't play. Okay. We know the play, we know the laugh. Because he was the one that Hope Uzodinma, Soludo, Pitamba, Mufuru, with DSS, Obrinze, and the Enugu 82 division, with all these tiger bears. They collude together, plan the poison. They call the young man. The young man is living at Kenya. He based in Kenya. The young man based in Kenya. I hold his picture. I hold his video. Everything about him, I am holding it. The young man has a little link to us. He has our link. Oh yeah, just know onye mama do lebu ya. Hope Uzodinma see na him. Hope Uzodinma see him na ku oku ashi. Hope Uzodinma pata suwalu ama Hope Uzodinma anwuge. Meji aka mukoro nwe makpati liye myself.
Imeni onwe.
Hope Uzodinma plan. Somebody put on a leader, somebody that calls himself a leader, that is leading Imo State. But I really appreciate you, Kabe Madatna, chairman of APC now, Panapula and Yawasa. I will put on me here. The Carlos serve them and come back in shame. Anapula chairman. Hope Uzodinma plan the 10. Where are the poison? Where through one woman, informants, they are informants in DSS. I would report this man and about Ernest Madabuchi from Isikuato, Abia State. We report this young man. With a wine, mania. We this young man. In which we saw him, we was very happy that now guy. That now somebody I'm off man. I am making only I'm off man who's me I'm off man. Can we work with our people what I offer man? Where mania wine is what a wine, whatever. Without knowing that now yeah one the one happens to give to all the commanders. More Butozo B44 Owam Butozo and all the rest of commanders. We are together. About the meeting. I know the day come. Let's discuss what I get you everything wine out. I am an hope about fighter jets, a bar more tank, a bar you could buy him, and when you hold all batara. A balagoria coach woman there. I got my Macalabia Friday issue about that plan like country. The young man and the mania. Here I surprised one of the reason why I had you more the mania. I never lose on one man what they call Munna because I don't know the Munella Tonoton. Yes. Okay, with I could feel no one of the Munna. I am on what's the link myself for the Sunday bull? What the thing of Portugal Kitayama. Thank God for the ghost of the land. Many people thought that I was joking, I was playing. But I'm making one mother from more. But that time my father standing in my presence, large. Where am I going to? Hey, that I'm not. That go back. No, Ruben. No, Ruben. I should go back. I like a Muslim lag. Chapman goes on lag. I like a Muslim lag. Leave me all alone. I want to head where I am heading to. Hey, no, that I have no way here. I have no any accommodation here. I'm not back and okay, Ruben. I'm like Nam which I came alive today. And I thank God for Biafra. And when I do a true son of the soil. Yes. I got my wafa. Yahu Hope. Then those when you're the poison. But later on, You guess what happened? They went to Hemezri last. Hemezri Mewana. Hope no let's say honest mother Abuchinaka. Hajela about with Dibia Moka Yoruba. Dibia Moka Yoruba that many of them is gone. A man and many of them is gone on the Munolate. Nde we latch back. I was I had a was I am got Chalate. Well, and in Cape down before I got one also. They have died. Many of them have died. They remain few people. They don't die. You guess what? 500 million naira page release shine. One night workers you the contracts. 500 million. 500 million. They go release shine. One night workers you I'm going out of the 500 million. First payment was made 20 million naira. 20 million naira. Ego Hope Uzodinma. Hope Uzodinma through DSS and Tiger Bay. DSS and Tiger Bay is called for 10 million naira. What 10 million naira? When you very bad. Now that's 5 million. That's 500 million naira was paid by Onyosha. This organ harvest. But where Tiger Base commander. That organ harvest where Tiger Base commander. That 500 million was paid in his account. The Tiger Base and the DSS of Nigeria squandered the money. Honest the mother Abuchi and went to anything for 1 naira.
Very good. Very good. Hey, very good.
They will promise you heaven and earth, but at the end, you got lost.
Yes.
They will promise you heaven and earth, at the end, you got lost. Yes. Because I'm and I will be the one to expose them. And I will be the one to scatter them. And I am scattering them. Hope Uzodinma put us well or here I'm the Hope Uzodinma Munyanya. The kind of leaders in one. As in the Una forgot the kind of leaders full of action. He put a question for public ego. And he pressed the Halley Hojo head to Yagego. They were labeled with it. My brother, my people, the reason why even my village was throwing allegation on me that time. Because they escalated the news that they brought 500 million on your Lacelia. Because everyone want to partake in that money.
Hey!
Everyone wants to partake in that money. That's why you have to get allegations in Nam Birenugu while in Nam Tliamu, Namebihenugu, Namebe travel to Enugu for once. And they buy it, they need your help, our freedom. Now Okigwa is calm. Everywhere now is calm in Okigwa. Everywhere is calm in Okigwa. And I am so much happy for that. I'm one here with the peace.
Good.
In Okigwa, not Hope Uzodinma, not the chairman of the local government. I brought the peace in Okigwa and I made it. And when I had to call I'm not any atom of war. Any atom of war in Okigwa. Hey, huh? I'm not. In Rotano go the Alabama Losona or Kigwa get everywhere gas scatter. In fact, I got man to kill I go to war.
Yes, sir. Yes.
I got money to kill I go to war in Biafra land. I can never be afraid of them. If you fear you die, if you not fear you die. Why will you see the way to fight and actualize your freedom and you'll be afraid? Why will you be afraid of that? So Biafrans, we are still standing in the bam.
Yeah.
Standing strong. Man knows of the anya. Or the boy they go where. But on the local of them. On the local of them to Yabal. I will not kidnap in no way she can be. You can't be struggle. Man of land will follow Biafra. But all Nana Mezushana make it up in the mother label book or like this. But can ask when you talk to us, we go one kataya. Or you talk to us, we go one kataya, or to far hojo whereby. Where to back in Kataya. Asmunda Lila Bamwa, Bandi Flania. Ndi Boko Haram Motula Nasina 170 17 terrorists repented, reintegrated in military. Actually, they were uniform. Where I would have Talalibo. Military. Where Chica has some visa for us. Everybody had to stop. That was what they was doing to us.
Stand down.
The Roman
Stand down.
How do you look at Jala went to the middle like a lorry la Palanco?
He said,
I must expose them. They have done a lot of evils, and Igbos need to wake up. This is time for revolution.
yes.
This is time for revolution. Igbos need to stand up. They have done a lot to us. When I was serving the Nigerian army, I escaped from Sambisa Forest.
Wow.
I group of them. I was in Igbo, throughout in Igbo. I was a Yoruba few. I made March. The dear Sambisa Forest. Sambisa Forest. At the middle, they have met call. They have set their men, all those terrorists. They have set them up. At the middle, they will order you. Don't move and don't shoot yet.
Hey.
Don't move, don't shoot yet. A guy man a plan, I look at you being a more tanker. A guy man a plan, I look at you being a more tanker. And ammunition. A guy not there before you could know it. On your last one where they are one more. The China Cassin Ham, Erubem, escape. They will be free. And I am using this wonderful opportunity also to appeal to our people now in the military, because that was the same message that they was given to us then. That if you go out of this military, it is your the same people that's your the same people that will kill you. My brothers and sisters, we cannot kill any one of you. Come back when the space is there for you. Come out when the space is there for you. Come and join your people in uniform to fight against your own people. Onye na-ewu ewu na-eji ketụ anyụmamịrị ala anyị ikuku na-aghọrọ gị bịa gị lakọ ha ndị iberibe a na-ewu ewu anyụmamịrị. Igbos lana obi kubana la chief priest ikenshi larali ndị iberibe iru ugwu awụsa ha ghọrịa gị were one plot of land nye gị 50,000 gị ruo Yoruba ha nye gị 25,000 gaa ṅụrịa inwekwara amamihe. You develop their own states. In your own state, you never develop anything, you never done anything in your own state. And you think you are saying that you are wise. Tell me where your wiseness is. Tell me your wiseness.
Yeah.
The chief of Boko Haram, Shetima, the chief priest, Ibagela Gesegriala. Imamamiha. Ikbere ka nwe uja nne ya ya were enwe onye plan ara ikbere
Arrow.
We are ashamed of our people.
Yes.
The shame of our people, they shame us. Those that doesn't understand. And we are winning the war. And we are really appreciating all of you for the effort and every other thing. So because for the rest, my master, the Triple General, I greet you all. We don't care the room. Allah Biafra Nigeria. Allah Biafra belongs to Igbo people. It belongs to Biafrans. All are Igbos, please. And I am still saying, let Igbos come together. Let us fight what is after us. Let us come together. Let us fight what is after us. We don't care the room.